Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a custom token to your Coinbase wallet, whether it's on Ethereum, BNB chain, or any other supported network. Let's get started. First of all, open the Coinbase Wallet app or download Coinbase Wallet, not main Coinbase exchange. There are two different apps. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're inside, tap on the Tokens tab. At the bottom, this shows all the tokens currently in your wallet. Scroll down to Add Token. Click plus icon, then Add Token. Now choose the correct blockchain network. Most custom tokens are on Ethereum ERC20, Binance Smart Chain BEP20, or Polygon. Make sure you select the same network the token is based on, otherwise it won't show up correctly. Here's the important part. You will need to enter the custom tokens details manually. You need token contract address as token symbol like XYZ, or for dollar, USDT, Bitcoin for BTC, decimals usually 18 but can vary. You can find this information from trusted sources like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, official project website, blockchain explorers like Etherscan or BSC Scan. Once all the information is in, just tap done and add token, and boom, your custom token should now show up in your wallet. If your token still doesn't show up, double check the network. Make sure the contract address is correct. Ensure your wallet has some activated tokens with zero balance might not appear until added manually. Also be careful. Never trust random links or shady websites when getting contact addresses. Always use official sources. And that's it. Now you know how to add any custom token to your Coinbase wallet. This works for new project tokens or even NFTs that shows as ERC20s. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, then subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if there's a token you want help with. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.